Of course, racing a motorcycle is more than just riding around the track. However perfect your technique is, racing is beating people. When you're out on a racetrack, you have to beat people. No matter what it takes, physically and mentally, you have to get around the other guy to win the race. We're going into turn 9. Wayne is going to take a slower, more normal line, while I'm going to take a faster, more accelerating line. On the brakes, very severe. Wayne is taking up the inside. I'm going to flick the bike at the last minute with a 500 that has so much power. You have to keep up your momentum. If your momentum drops, your concentration is going to drop. You're going to turn the throttle on. You're going to be leaned over a little bit too much, and you're going to spin the motorcycle out or do something you don't want to do. The momentum is the key.